Page 7, Love Somebody. 4/4 time. We've already talked about the whole rest. You've had practice at playing a whole rest. I love practicing the rests. They're fun. Because you don't do anything. Yeah, F and P again, because it's repeated. We're going to play it twice. You know how that works. Melody's in the right hand, so that's the F and P. The left hand is just soft all the way. These intervals in the left hand are changing. Watch out. That's really pretty much what it is. You see the phrasing? Try and lift up between each one. Now they're doing it by measure. I don't like that because it makes it choppy. In my mind, it really should be 2 measures long. A phrase you connect, then you lift up. And I would recommend that you go ahead and do that, even though the music says it's every measure, except the last 2 measures, they finally put them in both measures. For whatever reason. In my opinion, take a pencil and something and draw a slur line across each 2 measures. The first 2 measures and the last 2 measures of the first line and the first 2 measures of the second line, and connect them all, and then lift up between the measures, or between those slurs, so we get a break in the phrase is all. Silence. Now there is a note in the dynamics at the second line. It says F both times. The both times is unnecessary. It doesn't need to be there. Because when you're given a dynamic, it applies until you get another dynamic. So in the first line, you're going to play it loud the first time. And in the second line, it's loud. But then when you repeat it in the first line, you're going to play that soft. But then when you get to the second line, you come up to that F again, you're going to play it loud. My point is, you're going to play the second line loud both times anyway, because that's what it says to do, without the words both times. It's unnecessary. I'm assuming they're just helping you out by being extra clear on what's going on, but it's a bit misleading because you might expect this in music in the future and you won't get it. You just have to know the dynamic applies until you get a new dynamic, so be careful on that. When we do the play with me, of course, I don't do the dynamics because I'm interested in the notes and the rhythms. You can do the dynamics. And other than that, I don't have a lot. It says merrily. Are you in a merrily mood? I need some more wine for that, but we'll see what's going on. But I'd like to go ahead and play this slowly so we can double check the notes and the rhythms. Now you go and learn it, and then when you're ready, we'll try it, and then you can speed it up on your own afterward and do something with it. So I'll give us 4 counts. Now let's try it out. 1, 2, ready, go.